Alright, hi everyone, welcome to Uplift. So Uplift is a peer-to-peer app that allows persons to join a support room for up to 5 peers and up to 90 minutes. So I'm just going to go through a quick run through of the app in terms of the functionality from sign up to sign in. So you're going to click the get started, which you would say that you have to be at least 18 years old and not in any severe mental distress, and agree to the community guidelines, which I could show you quickly, which just gives a safeguard for persons to ensure that it's comfortable for everybody while using the app. It also does mention again that you must be at least 18 and not in any severe mental distress. So this just goes through items of what you should and shouldn't do while using the app. Not to be mean, to be supportive, not to be creepy, not to be disruptive. There is moderation, but we'll look at that later on. And your privacy policy. So I'm going to enter email address here. gmail.com and a password. I click signed up. From here you would see the actual welcome to Uplift. This is just to tailor the app based on how you would use the app, and to give metrics and feedback for us as well. So in a case like that, I'm going to choose both because I want to give and receive support. And see, you have the option to choose a username. To make the app simplified, we went with fruits, because it's a Caribbean based app. So for example, if the last person was plum 11, you chose plum, then you'll be plum 12. So for this case, I'm going to choose apple because the apple that keeps the doctor away. Click next. Here you choose your age and gender. This is to assist with matchmaking. In terms of preferences that we'll show later on any apps, that's going to select age and the gender. And this is of course just as our metrics for us as well, so I'm going to put social media. This will be taken to the main screen of the app. So this will be all the currently opened rooms that is active right now. So I'm just going to quickly run through that. Well, of course you have to verify your email before you open or join support room. So if I try to go to a support room, if I can't join, it'll tell me I need to verify my email. So let's do this quickly. Right, so you must ensure that your email address is verified. Right, so now I'm going to show you how to open a support room. So you click the plus sign, and here you would share your thoughts or emotions with us. For example, I recently did surgery. So you would type this, and you can type so I just want to talk, so either anxiety, which more fits, or I just want to talk, in case I just want to talk. So I click next. Rooms are defaulted up to 60 minutes. This is to ensure nobody abuses the rooms and ensure that rooms are being used efficiently. Here you have to select the peer, which is a max of 5, those persons could join, and the age and gender preferences. So by default, anyone, any age and any gender could join the room. So I click next. If your room is a trigger warning, which we'll go through here to see that it's a safe space, so make sure the room, as I mentioned, it means of suicide, self-harm, graphic descriptions, harassment, attacking someone, as these violate the guidelines. So sensitive topics include abuse or assault, eating disorders, substance abuse, and profanity. And so in a case where you do not if your room is a trigger and you don't actually flag it, that moderators or admin would actually flag it, and this could cause you to be room to be hidden or just be flagged as a trigger warning. This will be a preview of it, and to open, so rooms in general you need credits. So you click open room, you'll be asked, are you sure you open a support room? Be charged 1 credit. By default, when users sign up, they are given like 5 credits. And to make it easier on users, how it works is the more you help users, you earn kudos. The more kudos you earn, it converts into credit, and the credit is used to open support rooms. This functionality is planned to change in the near future with the next update. So when I click open room, here you would see the room is open and you get welcome to your first support room. We have 25 peers for you. You'll be notified when peers join. Remember, as your host, you are in control of room and you can remove participants if needed, and you can explore the resource by clicking the resources button. So when you click the button, it should load up the resources. And of course, it activates the, which I mentioned earlier, which the 18+, and not currently in severe mental distress to use Uplift. You'll find the guidelines to effective peer support, hosting the rooms. Down. Here is also mentioned Uplift is a supported platform, but not for those in immediate crisis. As always, consult a professional who can help use /hotlines, command below for specific or meeting guidelines. So it means that if you type /hotlines, this is of course if it's a PS helping you, for example, and you select the appropriate country, example Trinidad and Tobago, you'd see that it says for things these resources might be helpful to you. So if I type, for example, hey, a long time, hey, hope someone joins to assist me, please. Send. So right, so when someone joins your room, you'll get a push notification. Like it says here, Apple 2 join support room, and as you can see, Apple has responded to us, Apple 2. So I'm going to say, hey, have you so click send, and then Apple will respond. For moderation, it will have admins and moderators to assist ensuring rooms are safe. So you click the room participant, room details, you would see that it says that the description of the room, the topic, and how much time is remaining, as well as the resources. You also have the option, you click participants to, if you want to remove the actual person from the room, you can, which you would not do. And you do have the option to end the room early if you want, and you have the option to report participants who may be being naughty in the room. So I'll show an example. So you click next, what is the reason that you're reporting the reason for and the incident. So we click submit, right, and you can end the support room. So I would show you how that is. So I click end, so you click end, so you click separate, proceed, and the room should close. You are asked, how you are feeling. Your support room, so you can put okay, and then you can rate the peer that would have assisted you. So based on the rating, the peer will be awarded the kudos, which is how you earn credit. So 50 kudos, or 150 kudos is up to right. So depending on if you are the host or the peer who supported the host, you'd see the description need changing depending on if you are. So thank you for creating a room and inviting others to help give you support. Your willingness to share experiences and seek help is a courageous step towards managing life challenges. You can also review the transcripts, yeah, to see what would have went on, and you can actually review your feedback that you would have given. And yeah, but once you submit a rating, you cannot change it. Right, let's prevent abuse. Right. So, for example, if you are a peer and you want to assist someone, check this room for example. Depression. Topic. Person says some days just getting out of bed feels impossible. Like there's a weight pressing on me. I know I'm not alone in this, and it feels that way sometimes. So if I join your room, it tells me that it's important to read the room description, make sure that you can offer necessary support. Please only join the room if you believe that you are capable of positively contributing to the whole situation and are able to commit for the next 45 minutes. I click I accept. So of course, if you joined, let's see, hey, just checking in. Hope everything is okay. And if it's sorry, I have to go. So I'll show you an example of you can actually for support room, you can just indicate that you know that you have to leave. And just similar, you could read the room details, participants, report the room, or leave. So choose to leave. Just tell that are you sure you want to leave the room? By leaving, you'll be able to rejoin the room or earn any kudos. Do you want to proceed? Are you going to click yes? And you see that the room has been left successfully. Because you cannot join another room unless you leave the current room. This is the announcements tab, which just shows you like general announcements that from us at Uplift. So this one is when I would have won the Youth Award in 2023 for the app. And the profile screen just shows the kudos you have earned, the credits used, hotline resources when you're starting feedback, and the support credits, which is used to open the support rooms, which is changing in the near future, which will be removed. And well, this is the reporting incident, privacy policy, security guidelines, the blocked notifications, and if you like to delete the account. That's it for the demo of the overview of the app. Can't wait to show more in the future in terms of future ideas and well, future updates that we have planned.